So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the line spacing here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up, what you have to do is obviously add some text to your design. So go to the left hand side here. I'll just press on text. I'll press on add a heading. And for this example right here, I'm just going to press add a heading. I'll go down. Press on return. I'll type in add a heading again. Just one more time. I'll write the same thing, add a heading. So I have three lines right here. As you can tell by default, this is the line spacing, so fairly standard, fairly straightforward. If you were to go ahead and make it larger, it stays the exact same. Now, if you wanted to make it less or more, it's very straightforward. Press on the text right here. Go to this top bar to this option right here that says letter spacing and line spacing, where it says line spacing, so by default it actually is 1.4. If you slide it to the right, it increases the line spacing. If you slide it to the left, it decreases it. So very standard, very straightforward, but that is how to adjust or edit line spacing here on the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.